We'll guide you through how to record slow-mo videos on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you're looking to go and record slow-mo video. Slow-mo video is a really cool effect. As it says, it makes videos slow motion. So this feature is actually built into the iPhone, which is really convenient. So you don't need to go and download any other apps. It's all going to be in the camera app on your iPhone. So we're going to guide you through step by step on how you can go and use it. So to get started, you want to go and locate the camera app. By default, it's on the home page on your iPhone. Go and tap on it. Then what you can do is go and select video at the bottom. Now you may be thinking, where is the option for slow-mo? You may go to the top right and go and press these dots and go and see these different options, but there's nothing here about slow-mo. So to go and access it, it's actually super simple. So what you need to do is you can go and swipe across at the bottom. So you can see I'm going to swipe across like so, and it then unlocks more options. So you've got cinematic, you then got slow-mo, which you want, and you've got time-lapse as well. Let's go and select slow-mo. Now with it selected, you can actually go and change things. So you can go to the top left and go and adjust the quality and FPS. So what you can do is go and set it to HD, and you can go and set it to a higher frame rate as well. That'll go and make it slower, more detailed and smoother. And having it HD will make it better quality as well. It's important to note though, these being higher then do mean that the file size is going to be bigger, but it is going to be much better quality. Then what you can do is go and press record, and now you're going to be recording. You can go and see the length at the top, and you can record what you want. This could be for sport or something else. There's different things you can do with it. Then when you're finished, you can go and press the stop recording button at the bottom like so. And then you can go and view it in your gallery, and there it is. And you'll go and see it'll then go and get slow after a second or two. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We make iPhone guides like this every single day, so I'm sure you're going to find it useful, and we make loads of other how-tos as well. So I look forward to help you in the next one whenever we can. I hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye for now.